let's briefly take a look at the overall kick here. From the stance, you can see it's a comfortable position. There's slight flexion of the knees, slight flexion of the hips. The trunk is flexed slightly, and the eyes are focused right on the football. The first step is a very, very short jab step, which is taken right in the direction of where you want the plant foot to be. You want the plant foot to be somewhere right around here. Therefore, the foot is pointed right on that line right there. It's not a long step. It's a very short step. The second step is a balanced stride as well. It is not an overstride. Notice that the eyes are still focused on the football. Down here, the step is still on line in the general direction of where you want it to go, and the body is balanced. If you take a look at the overall body right here, the center of gravity is probably going to fall somewhere right around in here. The left foot is a power stride with the heel landing first. Did you see that? The heel lands first and then pivots and points exactly where you want the ball to go straight. Look at the backswing. This is where the power of the kick comes from. Power of the kick comes from the distance that the leg has to travel from here, boom, to make contact here. It is right in here that the kicker can develop more speed, and more speed equals more power. Notice that the eyes are still focused down on the football, and right here the hips are square and the shoulders are square to the target. Look at this. If we drew it, we can see the goalpost right there, and the shoulders are in parallel with the goalpost and perpendicular to exactly where you want the ball to go. Contact is made right here, about in the middle of the football. It's not made on the lower end of the football. It's made in the middle end of the football. Now, you can see that the shoulders here are dragging slightly behind here. The right shoulder is slightly back, and that's because the eyes are focused and the head is down. For the head to be down and the eyes to be focused on the spot, the right shoulder has to drag a little bit, but should come forward as the leg comes forward. In other words, there should be some forward rotation here, and the hips, a little bit behind, should rotate right here. Let's see if that happens. Hips are rotating. You can see there's some nice rotation of the hips right here. But what is happening to the upper body? The head is still down. Now, the head doesn't necessarily have to be down right here, but more importantly, the body is moving in a direction this way. So the upper body is moving down here, and the lower body is moving this way here, and you want the ball to go where? You want the ball to go here. So everything should be moving in a straight direction. Nonetheless, the post-kick position is very good. The post-kick position, the foot is pointed right to where you want the ball to go. The head is pointed right to where you want the ball to go. The hips are square. The right shoulder is dipping a little bit, and that's because if you remember a couple frames ago, the upper body was down here. Okay? The upper body should be straight and parallel right here. That takes a look at our kick for today.